Today I'm taking a look at the Sunweyer 3-in-1 AI box. We just got the logo on the front. We got a USB-C port there on the top. On the bottom we got a USB-A port and looks like a mini HDMI. Comes with two cables, so we got a USB-C to USB-A and we got a USB-C to USB-C. And it also comes with full color instructions. So I'm going to plug that into my USB port. Okay, we are lighting up. Okay, so this is the home screen. So we can hit car here. Yeah, so I'll go back to the same interface I would get with my vehicle. Music settings. All right, so here we can adjust our Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, language, application, date, time, set it to factory settings, hotspot channel configuration. So this is not going to have Wi-Fi by itself, but we can set our phone as a hotspot. So essentially the AI box will use the phone for data. And I do like that we got that little shortcut right there at the top. We got files. So with that USB port on the bottom, we could plug in something like a thumb drive, and if it had pictures or whatever, we could load that up here. Same for music, video. Let's go to all app. Okay, cool. So here we can select whatever kind of program that we want to use. So I'm going to see if I can just connect to this through Bluetooth. And that is showing up as the Sunweyer SW12 Lite. All right, so we can see we are connected through Bluetooth. Let's go to Android Auto. Okay, excellent. So now I've got Android Auto going directly through my phone. Did not have to do anything fancy with the data. We are simply connected as if I was connected through a cable to my car. So now I want to make sure that if I shut my car off and if I turn it back on, it does automatically go back to the Sunweyer. And if I go to Android Auto, phone sees it. Okay, and we are reconnected. So that's excellent. So what that means is I could just get into my car, I can leave my phone in my pocket, and I can immediately use Android Auto. So that's fantastic. So now I want to try to connect it as a hotspot. All right, so we are connected. That is pretty awesome. So now I can actually watch my full videos right here on the display. I can use this in conjunction with my phone using Android Auto just like it was intended, or I can use it completely independently. So as long as I got some Wi-Fi signal, I can actually connect that and use apps that you would not normally be able to find on Android Auto. So overall, that is a pretty awesome little box.